Hey all, Steve from GuitarNiche here. Why are we here? What are we looking at? Well, the lesson for today is the nut. Specifically, how to use visual cues to help you assess where you should cut the nut. At the moment, I have the action set at the bridge and it's fine. I have the relief set and it's fine. So the last link in our chain here is going to be the nut slots. So what I'm doing is essentially kind of roughing in the instrument before I put on the new strings. The strings that are on here are trashy, as you can probably gather by the looks of them. They're rather sketchy. And I haven't cleaned it or anything like that, so it is what it is. But the point I'm trying to make here, to be more precise, is if we look at the nut here, where the distance is off the first fret, that's easily 25 to 30 thou, easily. Now, if I press that down, I'm using the second string, by the way, because the first string is just a little harder to visualize with the camera and stuff. But the second string, if I just press that down on the first fret, look where it winds up. Look at that. Look at that distance. That's a functional distance. That's actually a perfectly good playable distance. And here's a sticky note that just gets underneath that. This is 4 thou. That sticky note is 4 thou. Piece of paper. So that measurement is 4 to 5 thou, roughly. Okay? But what do you think this distance, this extra pressure is doing to your intonation, not to mention playability? I mean, unless you're doing slide, it's awesome. But if you're just, trying to play for fun, which is exactly what this owner is after, I mean, the guy is working way too hard to press those strings down. There's no need to have that string so proud in the nut slot. So I'm going to cut this second string, just give you an example of where we can wind up to be in a much more playable region. I'm not using anything other than visual cues. Okay, so I got my 20 thou because this is a 17 thou string, light gauge. And I'm just gonna, here, we'll get that back in there. I'm just going to hack that down just a little bit. 20 thou is great because it leaves 1.5 thou on either side for the string to move around freely. And we're better, much better. Okay, let's see if we can get a little better light on that. Not really, eh? Okay, all right. But see, that one little change makes a huge difference. Now, depending on the hardness of the nut, you really want to keep checking your work when you're cutting it, because one stroke can be the difference between a great playing guitar and a guitar that has sizzling at the nut itself. Okay. So you see how far down that went? Okay. Now I'm going to take even a little bit more of that off. Keep in mind again, the rest of the geometry, as far as the setup goes, has been roughed in. Where are we at the moment? I'm using my 20 thou Hosco file here. Great files, by the way. And that is just getting under there. So we know that that's roughly somewhere around 20 thou. And I'm going to go lower. Once I get the new strings on, it'll be dialed in even tighter. So we're back up to pitch. Look at the difference there. That's crazy. Compared to the third string's a little proud. First string is like redonkulous. Okay, but the second string is well within playability. At the end of the day, this is how it works. Final height is going to be whatever looks right and feels right. It's a funny thing to try to express things in those terms, but when you've done this like 1,000 times, you just know. You make mistakes to get there. And that's part of the feel of what it takes to set up a, really fine playing instrument. The difference between something that's out of the box and goes, yeah, it's okay, and something that feels great, stays in tune great, plays great, and is comfortable and is a joy to work with. Okay. Anyway, there's a lot to be said about that. So I will deal with the rest of the strings in turn. That's pretty much it. Anyway, my name is Steve. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it very much. Read the description below. Freebies down there. Go to GuitarNiche, more freebies. Okay. Like and subscribe. And as always, play loud, have fun, have a great day. Cheers.